Oh, dance, show me what you've got, baby. I wanna be with you forever. I wanna stay with you forever. You are my only girl, my only love. You are so African, you natural.
You're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. If you are new, you're highly welcome. It's nice to have you here. But before you leave, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button that will pump up so that you can get a notification anytime I upload a new video. All right, guys, it has been a very busy week. I apologize for not, uploading videos since this week because I've been very busy, All right, guys, so today I want to share with you a cleanser that I've been using for this past week, and it has been doing a great job on my skin. I love my face now. Oh my goodness, Okay, guys, so I'm just happy. The cleanser has been doing a very good job. I just need to let me try this out. As usual, I always like to try out things on my skin before I bring it out to you guys. So I'll be showing you how to make this cleanser today. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Sit tight as we start. So guys, to make these cleansers, here are what we need. So here I have my lotion base, and this is my skin lightening lotion base. You can use any lotion base you have available. All skins are not the same. This is the one I'm using, and it has been working for me. And here I have about 120 grams of the lotion base. Here I have my almond seed powder. You can see it, and I have about 30 grams of almond seed powder here. And here I have my orange powder. I have about 3 grams of orange powder in there. And here I have my apricot seed powder. I have about 5 grams of apricot seed powder in here. And I have my ground coffee here too. I'm using about 7 grams of my ground coffee. All right, guys, so we're going to combine all these to the lotion and then mix it. So guys, I'm going to start by adding the I'm going to start by adding the almond seed powder to the lotion base. Then add my coffee, my ground coffee to it. Add the apricot seed powder to it. And then finally add my orange peel powder to it. So after combining everything, you can see I've combined everything. You take your stirring rod and then you stir it properly. Give it a good stir until everything incorporates together. Okay? So stir it. So guys, you can see after stirring it properly, this is how it's going to be. It smells amazing. I love the coffee smelling. Coffee and the orange peel. So to use this, first of all, soak a facial towel with warm water. Soak a facial towel in warm water, and then press it all over your face to open up the pores, your face, your neck, to open up the pores, and so that your skin will be ready to receive. Then after that, then you apply the scrub on your face. Use it. Use the, I call it scrub, I call it cleanser. It does all. It's 2 in 1. So you use it, apply it all over your face, and then scrub your face in circular motion gently. Please don't be too harsh. Don't do please. Our face is more sensitive than the skin, so gently use it to scrub your face. The apricot seed there will help exfoliate, and the coffee also. The apricots and the coffee will help to exfoliate the skin and also brighten it up. The almond seed powder there and the lemon pea powder helps to brighten your skin. My dear, after using this, you will love your skin. You will love, just try it. You will love the way your skin will feel. It feels smoother, you know, more glowing and brighter. Okay, so I've been using it. I just say, let me try it and see how. Sometimes, you know, I create some recipe myself. You know, that's when you're a formulator, you are trained to create recipes, not, you know, making I don't like, you know, repeating recipe. I create that because that's what they taught us to do, creating. So all you need is to know is the guidance and the ingredient that is needed for a particular skin type and for a particular skin problem. So if you want to polish your skin, polish your face, you know, try this scrub. It's going to help get rid of the dead skins on your face, you know, renew the new skin and make it more glowing and brighter. Okay, and of course make your face flawless. Okay. All right guys, so that is it. It's very easy and simple to make. It's a facial lotion. Like I said earlier, you can use any lotion base that you have available. I am using my lightening facial base. You know, it helps it work faster. Or what will I say, you know, like the lightening part is make your face brightens more, you know. So all right, if you have any question, please drop it down below, and if you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And for you all my subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for encouraging. For all that have been calling me to check on me, I really appreciate your love. Thank you so much from my heart. I thank you so much. So that will be it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay organically beautiful because it's very, very important. If you want to contact me for some people go to the sites, you know, they click on the chat to chat. I won't always be available there to chat with you. So if you want me to reply to any of your message that you have, please, you will see enter your name, your information, and then leave a message. Don't click on the chat, because if you click on the chat and chat, and I only respond to chat when I'm available, and that used to be maybe at night when I'm on my bed resting. But during the day, I'm always busy. I'm always busy. Those that don't really understand. So chat, you know, send me an email. I will respond to you faster. Those that have tried it know what I'm talking about. You know, it's better, it's good for you to leave email so that I can respond. Anytime I see the email, I will just shake it. I respond to emails. You all know, those that have emailed me will say to that. I see a lot of, by the time I will get in there, they will say the person have left. And once you leave the chat, I can't write to you. I can't reply your message anymore. That is one thing with that chatting. So the best is to leave message or send me an email or text me. There's number there you can text. You can call or you can text, but my call, once it's night, maybe from 7 p.m. here, I don't take any calls anymore until the next day from 10 a.m. Okay? All right, guys. Love you all. Please stay organically beautiful and stay away from harsh chemicals. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.